Designed specifically for the 2022 to 2026 Lucid Air, the EcoHitch X5010S features a 100% concealed cross tube, patent-pending stainless steel receiver, and the highest weight rating on the market with up to 4,000 pounds of towing and 400 pounds tongue weight. It's the perfect solution for towing, hauling e-bikes, cargo carriers, and more. Start by removing the 4 plastic push clips inside the wheel well. Then gently pull back the inner fender liner to access and remove the torque screws behind it. Next, carefully unclip the chrome trim to expose the hidden torque screw underneath. Then remove that screw as well. Finally, open the trunk and remove the torque screw located on each side of the rear bumper. With those fasteners removed, you're ready to continue. Now remove the 4 plastic push clips and the 18 torque screws securing the 2 lower bumper panels. Starting at each wheel well, carefully release the bumper clips and work your way toward the center until the bumper is free. Before removing it completely, disconnect the wiring harness on the driver's side of the bumper. Once unplugged, carefully set the bumper aside in a safe location to prevent damage. With the bumper removed, take out the 8 torque screws from the factory rear cross member. Next, remove the 4 hex bolts on each side securing the cross member to the vehicle. The factory cross member will not be reused. Position the EcoHitch in its place and begin installing the supplied hardware. Use the 40mm M8 bolts with a lock washer, an M8 flat washer, and a 5/16" flat washer in the outer side plate mounting holes. Then install the 50mm M8 bolts with the same washer combination in the inner side plate mounting holes. Once all of the hardware has been started by hand, center the hitch on the vehicle and torque each bolt to 25 foot-pounds. Move inside the trunk and remove the rear plastic sill panel, the carpet covering the frame rails, and the lower trunk pan to expose the mounting area. Slide the driver's side inner support strap and spacer over the longer 50mm bolts extending into the trunk. Secure the support using 2 5/16" flat washers, 1 lock washer, and a hex nut. Repeat this process on the passenger side. Once both support brackets are installed, torque the hardware to 25 foot-pounds. Reinstall the carpet and interior panels. If necessary, trim the carpet slightly to allow clearance around the longer mounting bolts. Locate the center of the lower rear bumper fascia and mark a 3-inch by 4-inch opening for the receiver. Using a reciprocating saw or a similar cutting tool, carefully make the cutout and smooth any rough edges for a clean, factory-style appearance. If you plan to tow with this hitch and need access to the safety chain loops, make the additional clearance cut shown in the instructions. With the trimming complete, reinstall the bumper by reversing the removal steps. Be sure to reconnect the bumper wiring harness before fully securing the bumper. With the bumper reinstalled and all hardware torqued to specification, your EcoHitch installation is complete. Your Lucid Air is now equipped with a premium, vehicle-specific trailer hitch that's ready for bike racks, cargo carriers, towing, and whatever your next adventure has in store.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.